Hi and welcome. Today we're going to be planting some fennel seeds. So let's get started. First you're going to need a tray. You can use a wooden tray, a plastic tray, anything that's going to hold some soil and some seeds pretty much. Then you want to get some seeds starting potting soil. This is the brand I use. And once you have your potting soil, usually what I do is just get it in the bucket and you want to make sure that it's nice and moist. So I just add some water and mix it in with my hand or with a tool. You can use a tool to mix it if you like. Now you want to make sure that the soil is moist but not dripping wet. So if you can make a ball with the soil like this, that means that it's ready and there's no water dripping out of it. Once you have your soil ready, nice and moist, you want to add it to the tray and you want to just pat it down lightly, not too hard because you don't want the soil to be too compressed that the roots cannot grow into it. Today, these are the seeds that will be growing. We're going to be growing fennel and specifically the Florence fennel, and I got the seeds from Botanical Interest. And when growing fennel, these are the fennel seeds. They're tiny and flat, so you just want to grab a little bit of them and just put them down on the soil. And you want to pat them down lightly with the back of your finger so you can make good contact with the soil. And then you want to add a little bit of soil on top to cover the seeds. And then make sure you give it a good watering and keep it moist until it sprouts. After a couple of weeks, you can transplant them into the soil, and then in a few months you'll have beautiful fennel that you can harvest. Thank you so much for watching and happy gardening.